So, you're thinking about starting your investment journey, huh? You've probably heard of Raiz, the app that lets you invest spare change. But is it really a good option? Let's dive in. Understanding Raiz. Raiz is a popular micro-investing app that automates your investments. It rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. Sounds pretty cool, right? It's a great way to start investing without thinking too much about it. The pros of Raiz. Accessibility. Raiz is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to start investing. Automation. The app automates the investment process, taking the hassle out of investing. Diversification. Raiz invests your money across a diversified portfolio of ETFs, spreading risk. Micro-investing. The ability to invest spare change makes it a great option for those who want to start small. The cons of Raiz. While Raiz offers many benefits, it's not without its drawbacks. Fees. Raiz charges management fees, which can eat into your returns over time. Limited control. You have limited control over your investments. The app automatically invests your money into pre-selected ETFs. Potential for lower returns. Due to the fees and passive investment strategy, your potential returns might be lower compared to active investing. Is Raiz right for you? So, is Raiz a good investing app? The answer depends on your individual circumstances and investment goals. Raiz is a great option for beginners. If you're new to investing, Raiz can be a good starting point. Those who want a hands-off approach, if you prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach, Raiz can be a good choice. Those who want to invest small amounts regularly, the micro-investing feature makes it easy to save and invest small amounts over time. Raiz might not be the best option for experienced investors. If you have experience investing and want more control over your investments, Raiz might not be the best fit. Those seeking high returns. While Raiz can help you grow your wealth over time, it may not be the best option for those seeking high returns. The bottom line. Raiz is a convenient and easy-to-use investment app that can help you start your investment journey. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. If you're looking for a low-effort way to invest, Raiz could be a good option. But if you're seeking more control and potentially higher returns, you might want to consider other investment options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.